Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing?
Good, good. How many witnesses are you going to have? Are you all?
Just one, Judge. It's an uncontested prove-up. It's all signed off and you have the order.
I got it here. So you don't expect the respondent to show up at all?
No, sir. He signed off on the order.
Okay. I just get you to raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. You may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. State your name for the judge, ma'am.
Shelley Lynn Hoace.
Shelley, you were married to Nassif on or about January 1st, 2015, correct?
Correct.
You two ceased living together on or about December the 1st of 2020, correct?
Correct.
Before filing the petition for divorce, you were a resident of Austin County for more than 90 days and resided in the state of Texas for more than 6 months, correct?
Correct.
You're asking the court to grant the divorce between you and your husband because the marriage has become insupportable due to discord or conflicts of personalities, and that destroys legitimate ends of the marriage relationship, correct?
Correct.
And you two are not going to get back together. Y'all are done, right?
We are done. Correct.
There were no children born during the marriage, correct?
No. Correct.
Were any children adopted?
No.
Are you pregnant now?
No.
Concerning the division of property, y'all were not married that long, and whatever you two have worked out between yourself, y'all divided the pots and pans and things that y'all need to separate, correct?
Yes, we have.
And the decree contains the division of property, including a house that was bought during the marriage, correct?
Correct.
Do you think the division of property is fair and equitable?
Yes.
Lastly, concerning your name, do you want a name change?
I do.
And you want your name changed to Shelley Lynn Luedecke, Luedecke, correct?
Correct.
Now, you're changing that because that's your maiden name, correct?
Correct.
Are you changing this to avoid criminal prosecution?
No.
Are you changing this to avoid creditors?
No.
And have you filed bankruptcy in the last 7 years?
No.
And they want the court to approve your divorce?
I do.
That's all I have, Your Honor.
All right, real good. Well, based on the testimony, I'll grant the divorce and approve the property division and order the name is changed. And so I just want to go over again. It's Luedecke.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. We have a lot of Luedeckes around here. I've just never seen it spelled that way before. So
There are some Luedeckes actually around. Yeah. There's some in Bay City.
yeah, no, there's quite a few in Austin County. It's just spelled a little bit differently. So I'll get this to the clerk, and then you can get a copy anytime you want. You'll probably need that to get name change on driver's license and things like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All righty. Thank you.
May I be excused, Judge?
You may. Thank you.
Thank you.
Laura, did Karina get with you?
Yes, sir, she did. She said for me to be on so that way when the divorce thing was over, she was going to show me how to screen share.
Okay. Well, the divorce thing is over. So.
I'm not that pretty girl. Maybe it's because of the camera. Let's fix the camera here.
Okay, I'm gonna allow you to share and I'll be right down, okay?
Okay. She clicked the share screen share, and now she's coming downstairs.
Okay, so Judge would have to do it on his end.
Yes, that's true. Judge is not very computer savvy. Okay.
Okay, downstairs. Okay.
Here, I'll let you sit here and so I'll write. That way you can.
So what y'all know, I ain't bringing no keys. Okay. Hey, now did you have a splitter for your internet thing? How was this? Do you have two things connecting or do you have a splitter going from internet to there to here?
It's down there.
But it's a splitter?
No, I don't think so.
It's a separate,
It's a little. It's a box that he put it into. I think.
that's for the laptop? Okay.
There's that cake right there. No.
You want this one here on taco?
What is it? You make it?
No.
Who made it then?
What is it called? Farmer market. Farmer market.
Oh, you're gonna eat it out.
Here.
Hey.
Well, damn, I was about to take it.
Are you really?
I'm joking.
You're like,
Hey, you knew that judge that.
You're talking to her?
With her? With
That's
her?
a guy, Rod Potton. He's a pervert.
not the one that they've been showing on the news.
Oh, yeah.
That's
He's an
funny.
idiot.
Did he ever get it taken off his face?
I have no clue.
Is he just that crazy?
He's an ignorant nut. Supposedly his daughter had put a filter on there or some crap. I don't know. I don't care. He's a moron. He's a pervert. He's a jackass.
That was a judge or the lawyer?
No, he was a lawyer.
Okay, that's what I thought.
He used to be the DA in the 83rd. Okay, so, but what you're going to need to do is scan. Are
I
these
have an
in
image right there. That's from last time.
where? What?
These PDFs that are right there beside there. These.
Okay, so what you need to do is open them up and then minimize them.
Minimize them.
Uh-huh.
And open it up. It was two separate cases.
Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. Because,
The
okay.
same guy.
Oh, okay. But it's still two separate cause numbers or whatever.
Right.
So it basically like two different people. You would open up all of the PDFs for whoever we have. Okay.
Mhm.
And then minimize it because when you go to share screen,
Mhm.
it's going to pull up. Okay, wait a minute. Where's the other one? I thought you had two.
Mhm.
Okay, so hold on. Where's your PDFs?
So she's gonna have to label those.
Yeah, but but where was it open at? Say that again.
So she'll have to label those as far as like, so she'll know which one that she needs to open.
Well, it looks like it's labeled by the cause number,
Let me see.
but
Because I don't know where they're at. I don't know where it's at. Do I have to click here?
no, it's they should be minimized down here. Not on there, not on that. You see, so where's
They're all
this?
open.
No, I know that.
Minimize it here?
Yeah, but I'm trying to see where it's going.
I don't know.
Okay, oh, there. Okay. Okay. So I just want to see where it was at. So this was the same one. Okay. So it's minimized, but it's in this swirly swirl. Okay. So when you go to share screen, you can click on that and then click on whatever one. Then when you scroll, I should be seeing that. You know what I'm saying?
Upstairs?
Right. So let me get up there, and you should be able to still hear me because you're unmuted. So let me get back up there.
So you should be seeing this right now.
Yes. I'll be right back. And then I should be able to talk you through it because you see where it was at, right? You have to open them up to where you can then just click on which one it is. It would be easier to do it that way than to try to look on your screen as to where you have it. Like say, for instance, let me think. Yeah, anyway, let me just go and see if we can do this. Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
So you're only gonna put up the documents that he has signed?
That the attorney and the person has signed.
Yeah, but none of the other stuff.
Yeah, because then, like, actually what I should have done before is I should have scanned the document and taken it up to judge already. So judge has the originals. And then that way, if I am going to swear him in, I can just go through here and say, okay, on this one, it's a waiver. You are pleading guilty. It's a regular plea bargain. Did you sign this document? And your attorney explained it to you. Do you understand? Yes. So then I would be okay to sign it, because judge will sign it and then judge will get them back to us to sign. And then like this one, he'd already signed it, so that's good. On this one, he already signed it, so that's good. The court costs, I would say this is the certified bill of court costs, and your court costs are this. And then at that time, I would already know if there's anything down here. And so then I tell him your total is whatever. And did you sign this document? And do you understand what your total amount due is? And then I'll say yes. So then I could sign that one. And then I would go through here. And I don't know why we have to explain it. And then I would let them know this is where you send your payments. This is an easier way to do it because you can just go through them.
Yeah.
Okay, can you share now?
I thought she was shared.
And so, okay, well, no, now it is. What? Hold on.
There's nothing on your end.
Wait a minute.
You want me to pull the document?
No,
There's
hold on. Yeah, there it's there. Now I see it. And then you scroll through to see okay, so I can see a signature. Did you go through any other pages?
Oh yeah, the top, I went through I was showing Marie
Yeah, but I didn't see that. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect.
and then this is where I would ask him, I would tell him he's pleading guilty. It's a regular plea bargain. Did you and your attorney sign both of these? And then I would be able to sign that one. Then these are usually signed, this one and this one are usually already signed just for judge to do. And then I'll go through, this is your bill of cost. This is your total amount due. If there's something down here, then I would have a total here. And I would say,
Okay.
do you understand those fees? And that's your signature. Yes. And then this is the last one. And that's basically going through, this is what your 18 days in jail, 18 days credit, your total amount due, broken down in $50. And here in the center of the page is where you could send a money order, a cashier's check, and a phone number for you to call if you want to pay by phone.
So when you're doing that right now with your computer screen, are we off on the side to where you can see me as well?
Mhm.
Okay, that's where we're at. Okay, so then go to the next person. Or the next case rather. Yeah, I think it looks good. That's so then you would be able to stop on, because the other way it was like I was getting dizzy. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Even when Judge does it, like, because I was telling Judge, as long as I can connect to the internet and mute myself, I can sit next to him and be able to, if he says Karina, put the email address up there. I can click it up to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But then when you're done, you'll have to X out of that or minimize it rather, so that only one person is sharing at a time. You know what I mean?
Oh, so when I minimized, if you needed to show something, you could pull yours up.
Yes.
So do I have to hit stop share before you can do that? There's a stop
I
share
don't
button
know.
at the top.
I don't know. I guess we'll have to figure that out whenever we try to do that, because I don't have my, I'm not able to connect to the internet quite yet, because he needs to get a splitter or something. I forget what he said. So
For what?
say that again.
I was wondering if we can do like a practice run like this afternoon before the hearing tomorrow.
Well, we don't have anything on the docket right now for the rest of the day, actually. So who else do you think we need to get in so I can see if they're available?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just saying that so that we could see if somebody else has. Just
Okay.
do I have to hit stop share so that somebody else can share?
Okay. So let me see. I've got the probation department on, and so I will see what time is a good time for her, and I'll see if it's good for y'all, and then we'll try that where it's more people, and then see if you have to do the stop share or just minimize it, because only one person can share at a time. So hold on one second. Hold on. Swap share screen with video. Okay, now I'm back on. Oh, how cool. So yeah, I guess let me think. Because you still have the little screen. Am I on here? Wait a minute. Why am I not? Stop participant share. Oh, okay. Oh, gosh. Yeah, you're gonna have to do stop share.
Okay.
Because I'm still seeing because I was still seeing your computer screen.
Okay.
But then go back in there to make sure you're going to be able to go in and out. Okay. And then you can go to your bottom to see if they're still there. Yeah, and they're still there. Okay, so yeah, you would do stop share. But I'm still going to get the probation department, if they have time, to where we can kind of have more people involved at different locations. So yeah, you would stop share each time.
Okay.
Sure.
Perfect.
Each time she wants to share a screen, then Judge has to allow her to.
No, I already, when I set up the session, the hearing, I allowed it to where anybody can screen share, but one at a time.
Okay.
So all the other times that she's doing it, I don't have to do it every time, just at the beginning of when I set up. And then I'll also create breakout rooms to where I can send people to the breakout rooms. Hold on. Mute, stop videos, chat, pin, make co-host, rename, record local calls, whatever.
Huh? She can train with Brandon.
Say what?
I said, you're getting so good, you can work with Brandon now.
No.
Well, Marie's with me because she's kind of my backup. So if I'm
Right.
out one day, she would be the one that would be here for court if it ever happens that way.
Sounds lovely. Okay, so I will get with, after I get with Teresa, I will find out if y'all are available as well, or what a good time is for everybody. And I'm free the rest of the day. I mean, around what I need to do, but we'll set this up. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this running and just pause the, well, actually it doesn't need to be on YouTube because we're just playing. But I'm going to go ahead and leave it up to where if it's this morning, you're already in the same, you don't have to, you can get out and go back into that email that I sent you with the link and join again. But I'm going to leave it, I'm going to leave this running. And then if it's this afternoon, I'll go ahead and close this down and send you the one for this afternoon.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Karina.
Later. Bye.